flying machine that acts like a wind-powered turbine to the world's first 3D printed beehives for beekeepers. Here are the coolest inventions you haven't seen before. Honda Motor Compact. In 1980, Honda introduced the Motor Compo moped, a tiny vehicle designed to easily fit into a car's trunk for added convenience. The idea was to help people seamlessly move from their parked car to their destination. Picture this: you park your car, take out the Motor Compo, and swiftly reach where you need to go. However, the Motor Compo didn't become popular, and production stopped by 1983. Now, after 40 years, there's a surprise. The Motor Compo is back, but it's now called the Motor Compacto. It's electric and can travel up to 19 kilometers on a single charge. Although the range isn't extensive, it folds into a compact 74 by 53.5 centimeter package. Starting this November, you can purchase one for about $1,000. Get set, strap in, and get ready. You're about to see incredible inventions that will totally amaze you. Skid bike. If you're thinking of upgrading to a more powerful motorcycle like the Motor Compacto and dealing with potentially heavy traffic, you're not alone. In 2020, a staggering 44.5 million motorcycles and 78.5 million cars were sold around the world. Thankfully, motorcycle instructors have a helpful tool in their arsenal, the skid bike. This system is a valuable resource for discussing and simulating challenging scenarios, both in the classroom and on the practice track. Skid bikes can be attached to regular motorcycles, allowing for adjustments to the lean angle, up to 35 degrees in tire traction. This means you can replicate slippery or wet roads, unexpected obstacles, and even high-speed pursuits. As a result, the skid bike system is beneficial for everyday riders, racers, and even traffic police officers. Breather. Amia Water Sports, an American company, strongly believes that proper breathing enhances swimming performance. To support this belief, they've introduced the Power Breather system, designed for both professional athletes and individuals using swimming for therapeutic purposes. The unique design of the Power Breather ensures swimmers always breathe in fresh, oxygen-rich air. This is achieved by separating inhalation and exhalation, preventing problems like carbon dioxide and moisture buildup. Moreover, the Power Breather adjusts to your head's width and offers a customizable mouthpiece, prioritizing not just effectiveness but also comfort. The Power Breather is available for $105. To advance wind power, Norwegian company Kite Mill has devised an innovative solution. They've created a flying machine that ascends to an impressive altitude of 1,500 meters. As it spirals, it releases a cable which spins a rotor, effectively generating electricity. This autonomous system offers a promising advantage, requiring 90% less material compared to traditional wind turbines. The company envisions future versions of this technology producing power ranging from 100 to 500. The CEO is optimistic that these advancements will play a vital role in achieving a society free of emissions by 2050. Hex hives. Approximately 1/3 of the world's food production depends on bees. Without bees, essential items like apples, pears, butter, cheese, and more would disappear from store shelves. Thankfully, anyone can help bees. An American company offers the world's first 3D printed beehives. Available as ready-made hives or printable files for purchase. These bee-friendly hexagonal design hives are ideal for beginner beekeepers and prioritize the bees' comfort. They've even been featured on the Charlie Bee Company show. You can get a hive printing file for $64, while a complete hive is priced at $100. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we reveal not one, but two incredible innovations that will astonish you. Flex step. The UN has reported that about 15% of the world's population deals with some form of disability. This underscores the significance of an innovation by the Danish company LiftUp, which has the potential to gain international recognition. The innovation is essentially a staircase that can transform into an elevator, and it's already proven to be a valuable asset for residents in Paris, Oslo, and Copenhagen. The standard version of this staircase ranges from 2 to 6 steps, reaching a height of up to 1.25 meters and supporting weights of up to 400 kilograms. The staircase can be customized using the configurator on the LiftUp website, and architects have access to Autodesk Revit program drawings for planning purposes. Hangar 75, Jeddah. Lastly, let's discuss the world's largest inflatable hangar, an impressive creation by the Spanish company Buildair. This hangar spans a vast area of 6,000 square meters with an internal height of 26 meters. Such immense space allows for accommodating and maintaining large planes like the Airbus A330. Notably, it's equipped with essential features such as lighting, air conditioning, and fire suppression systems, prioritizing safety and convenience. Additionally, 2 emergency exits have been thoughtfully integrated into the hangar's sides after thorough inspection, ensuring enhanced safety measures. This remarkable hangar has found its home in Saudi Arabia and has proven to be a valuable asset for the country's flagship airline, Saudi Airlines. This success story is just one example of the builder's capabilities. They can create inflatable hangars as wide as 90 meters and of any desired length, tailoring their solutions to a variety of needs.